Rational function application problems. Question 7. On a 72-kilometer go-kart course at Sports World, Anita drives 0.4 km per hour faster than Sarah. But she has engine trouble partway around the course and she had to stop to get the go-kart fixed. This stop costs Anita 1/2 hour and so she arrives 15 minutes after Sarah at the end of the course. How fast did each girl drive and how long did each girl take to finish the course? Okay, so the total distance they covered was 42 kilometers, right? Let's assume that the speed of Sarah was s. So let's say let speed for Sarah be s. Okay, then for Anita it will be how much? Anita it will be equal to s plus 0.4, correct? So that is the speed in kilometers per hour for both, right? Now, so Anita went trouble free. So let's say no, Sarah went trouble free. So we'll say the total time taken by Sarah is, so time taken Sarah will be 42 kilometers divided by speed, which is s, correct? So that is the time taken by Sarah. Now how much time does Anita takes? So, but she has engine trouble. So she goes with at this speed, therefore the time taken by Anita will be (42) divided by s plus 0.4 plus the stoppage time, and the stoppage time is half an hour, right? So Anita half an hour, right? First, this stop costs Anita half an hour, so plus half an hour. And so she arrives 15 minutes after, so she took 15 minutes more than Sarah, right? So 15 is 1/4 of a time. So that is the time taken by Anita, and this time is equals to Sarah's time, 42 over s, plus 15 minutes, and 15 minutes could be written in hours as 1/4 of an hour, correct? So that is our equation to solve, okay? Now this is the equation, 42 over this plus this, correct? So what we can do now is we can multiply by the common denominator, which is 4 times s plus 0.4 times s, all these terms, and then simplify. So that could be the way to do it, right? So let's do it. So what we will do is we'll multiply both sides by 4s and s plus 0.4, correct? And then write down our expression and calculate from there the value of s, okay? So if we do so, we get, let's start from here. So 42 times, so here in first term 42, or what we can do is we can also simplify a bit. We can take half from 1/4 from one side and then simplify it. So we'll have one less term, right? So this could be written as, let me rewrite this as 42 over s plus 0.4, and if I take away 1/4 from half, right? So I get 1/4, right? Half minus 1 over 4, which will be plus 1/4, which is equals to 42 over s. So what I did was that I took away 1/4 from here so that we have one less term, okay? And with this we are going to multiply with this, correct? So let me do this calculation here itself. So 4 times s, so we have 4 times s plus 0.4 gets cancelled, we get 4s times this, so we have 4s times 42 plus, with 1, 4 gets cancelled, we get s times s plus 0.4 equals to, and here s gets cancelled, so it is 4 times 42 times s plus 0.4, correct? So that's what we get. And let's multiply this, and we get 4 times 42. 4 times 42 equals to 168s. So 168s plus s square plus 0.4s equals to 4 times 42, so 168s plus 168 times 0.4. So times 0.4 gives me 67.2. So I have 67.2 here, right? 168 and 168s gets cancelled. These two terms are same, right? On equal, so they get cancelled. And we have got s square here, so we'll bring out 47.67.2 on this side, and then write, so s square plus 0.4s minus 67.2 equals to 0. So we have a quadratic equation, which is s square plus 0.4s minus 67.2 equals to 0, right? And from here we can use quadratic formula and solve for it, okay? Move this sheet a bit on the right side so that things are clear to you. And now we'll use quadratic formula to find s here. So let me make some room. So s is equal to, let me write here, s equals to minus b, which is minus 0.4, plus minus square root of b square. So 0.4 square is 0.16. 0.16, and then 4 times AC. So A is 1, C is 67.2, minus makes it plus. 4 times 67.2, right? 4 times 67.2 will give me 268.8. 268.8, and then we have a square root here, right? Divided by 2 times A, which is 2. Okay. Now let me calculate the square root term. 268.8 plus 0.16 equals to 268.96, and square root of that gives me 16.4. So I get here minus 0.4 plus minus 16.4 divided by 2. So if I take away 4.4 from here, I get 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So s, the speed of Sarah, is 8 kilometers per hour. So s we found as 8, right? So let me write speed of Sarah is, so for Sarah, speed is 8 kilometers per hour, correct? And the time taken will be 42 divided by 8, which is 5.25 hours. And this time is 5.25 hours, correct?